Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning 9th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the addition of matrices, exercise 1.3 from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. My dear students, remember one thing, that addition of different matrices is possible only when their order are same. Means if the two matrices are same in order, then we can add, otherwise we cannot add these matrices. Question number 1 is about that which matrices are comfortable for addition or not. You will do this question by yourself, because you will just check the order of matrices and then pick the matrices that these are comfortable with each other or not. Now we will move to question number 2. Find the additive inverse of matrix B is given. And the additive inverse means we will find the negative of that value, that matrix. Okay, means you know that if the number is 4, then its additive inverse is -4. If the number is A, then its additive inverse is -A. So if the matrix B is given this, then we will find the negative of that matrix, that is the additive inverse. Means we will change the sign of the numbers. If it is positive, then it will becomes negative, and negative will becomes positive. Means 1 2 3 -1 2 3, 0 -1 2, 0 +1 2, -1 3 1, +1 -3 -1, like this. Now matrix C, which is equals to 4 -2, and -C is -4 +2, and F square root 3 1 -1 square root 2, and its additive inverse is -F, which is equals to -3 -1 +1 and square root 2. Now question number 3. If B is equals to 1 and -1 and D is equals to 1 2 3 -1 0 2, then we will find part number 2 is B plus -2 and 3. Dear student, now you can see that B is only comfortable with addition of that matrix because both orders are same. We cannot add matrix B to D because their order are different. So we will add only those matrices which are same in order. If B is equals to 1 -1, so we will put the matrix B in the place of B, and then we will add. How can we add 1 plus -2? We will add or subtract the corresponding entries. Okay, 1 plus -2, -1 plus 3, -1 -2 is equals to -1, -1 plus 3 equals to +2. This is the answer. Matrix D is 0 1 0 2 0 1. Its order is 2 by 3, and it is easily can be added in matrix D. Okay, D plus this one. First we will write the matrix D here, and then we will put addition sign and then write this matrix as it is. Now we will add the corresponding entries: 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, and -1 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 0, 2 plus 1. And after that we will write the answer: 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, -1 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now part number 6, -1b. It means just we will multiply matrix B with -1. You will put -1 and then write the matrix B, and we will change the sign. This is the answer. Question number 4 is simplify. This is very simple and easy method, but in this question we are going to deal the 3 matrices. Okay, this is a unit matrix plus these 2 matrices are written in the parentheses. So according to the brackets rule, first we will solve these 2, and there is a subtraction sign, negative sign between these 2 matrices. So first we will subtract 0 -1 2 -1 3 -1 0 -0, and we will get -1 2 2 and 0, and now we will add this matrix into this one, and after that we will get 1 plus -1 0 plus 2 0 plus 2 and 1 plus 0, and the answer is 0 2 2 1. This is the answer. Part number 6 is this. Again the bracket is in these first 2 values. The parenthesis is present in first 2 values, and this we will write this matrix as it is. First we will add these two values. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and then we will add these two matrices. You can write the direct answer also. 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 1 2, and 1 plus 1 2. This is the answer. Question number 3. My dear student, this is little bit different question. In this question, there are 3 matrices are given, A, B and C. And then we will verify the equations. First, part number 6 is 2A plus B equals to A plus into A plus B. First of all, we will consider any one side, left hand side or right hand side as you wish. Now here I have considered left hand side, which is 2A plus B. Now first, how can we find? We will multiply matrix A by 2. 2A means we will multiply a matrix A by 2 and then add the answer into matrix B. My dear students, when any number is multiplied by the matrix, then it will multiply by all the entries. Okay, so it will becomes 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 to minus 1, 2 is equals to minus 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 0 0. Write this answer and then we will add these two matrices and you can write the direct answer. 2 plus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 2 because due to plus minus, 6 minus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, and minus 2 plus 1 1, 0 plus 3 equals to 0. This is the answer number 1, means we have solved left hand side. Now move to the right hand side, which is A plus B. Dear student, you will write the right hand side and then first we will solve the bracket. Matrix A and matrix B, both matrices will be added into each other according to the corresponding entries. 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 1 plus 3 4, minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 3 equals to 0 equals to 3. Now we will add matrix A. Now we will add the answer of this A plus B into matrix A. Okay, so 1 2 1 2 3 minus 1, we will write the matrix A, then answer of these values. Okay, and after that we will add and we get 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, like this the previous method. This is answer number 2. My dear student, at the end we will compare answer number 1 and answer number 2. You can compare both answers as this is 3 3 7 and you can see this is 3 3 7. 6 4 4, 6 4 4, 5 minus 1 3 and 5 minus 1 3. So answer number 1 and 2 we can get that 2A plus B is equals to A plus into A plus B. Hence we proved. Now part number 7, C minus B minus A is equals to C minus A minus B. First we will consider the left hand side, which is equals to C minus B minus A. My dear student, first of all we will take the difference between the matrix C and B. And how? Minus 1 we will write 0 minus minus plus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2. Like this pattern you can write and get the value of C minus B, which is minus 2 1 minus 1, minus 2 0 1, minus 2 0 minus 1. Now we will subtract this matrix A. We will subtract the matrix A from this answer. So first of all we will write this answer C minus B and then we will subtract matrix A. Matrix A is given 1 2 3 like this one. Write the matrix values of matrices carefully and then we will subtract it directly. Minus 2 minus 1 equals to minus 3. 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 4. 2 minus 2 equals to minus 4. 0 minus 3 minus 3. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 0 minus minus plus 1 1. Minus 1 minus 0 equals to minus 1. This is answer number 1. Now move to part right hand side, which is C minus A minus B. So first of all we will solve the bracket, which is C minus A. Subtract matrix A from C and we will get this value. And after getting this one we will write this value and we will subtract matrix B from this answer. So write this answer first and then write the matrix B very carefully, and after that we will get the answer. Now at the end, my dear students, we can easily compare both answers. This is -3, -1, -4, -3, -1, -4. Now by comparing second row, -4, -3, 0, -4, -3, 0, -3, 1, -1, -3, 1, -1. Both answers are same. So we can get that C minus B minus A is equals to C minus A minus B. This is the right answer.